Okay, this I think this is just going to be the last video so that it doesn't the playlist is not like too much. I'm sure the last video on this play the previous video before this one was like too much, but pretty much needed though. So let's just run down the remaining features. I think this is the profile. I really spoke about the refunds, the edit profile. I mean, you have to be like you have to connect your wallet and click on this link here to edit your own profile. If you go to another person's profile, you won't be able to see this edit profile. You won't be able to see the refunds. So, and then you might be asking, what is this? I'm going to get to that. This progress to comrade. So this wallet doesn't have any comrade. So we have like a ranking system, a badge system. Okay, let me just get to that and come back to profile. Right? Let me just get to that. Um, Still be patient, comrade. Be patient. We are loading. We are coming. Be patient. Be patient. Be patient. So if we come to the explore marketplace, I think we change it to explore pantats, but yeah, whichever it is, where you see the collections, meeting now, live auctions, pantat legends. Let's go to the pantat legends. So there are ranking systems which we are going to change. I mean, I was thinking of a better, nice name to use, but based on how many comrades you own, there are like ranks we give you. There are ranks we give you based on how many comrades you own. So yeah. Ah, is there anything to hide? I don't think there's anything to hide. Let me just show you here. So there are ranks we give you based on how many comrades you own. Like if you own like minimum, if you don't own any comrade, you are just a visitor. If you own minimum of 1 to 2, you're a comrade. You have 3 to 9, you're a cell leader. 10 to 24, you're a squad leader. 25 to 99, you're a platoon leader. I mean, let me know if this has okay. It has loaded. I think it's because of the claimable. That's why it was taking its time to fetch from the pool. As you can see, this has increased too. This has increased. This has increased. So yeah, you have the colonel. That's an amount you be a colonel. There's a platoon lead based on just basically based on the amount of comrade you own. So basically, yeah, that's what it means. So let's go to let's go to this. So basically, that explains this. So if you like, if this wallet gets a comrade, it's promoted to the comrade rank. So yeah, edit profile. Like I said, you can come and edit your profile. For the first time users, this will be like your default, your wallet address, like shortened, so you can come and change it. This one can be Testanipi. Your bio could be anything. You could leave it blank. I already said you could put. It's optional to put your social media too. I mean, if you're creative, you could change this. I mean, you can just be flexible. You can change it if you want, but you need to be the owner. Remember, you could change that. Default, everybody comes with this header, default header. But you could change it too. You can save. The profile is pretty much straight, easy. There's nothing to explain there. I'm just doing due diligence. Due diligence. So yeah, I'm pretty much sure you're going to enjoy this. So you can see now your website, everything shows up. You can click on it. Your image has changed. Your name has changed. You can see your items. If you have created any collection, if you see it here, if you have not created it, it will prompt you to create a collection. So let's go to the wallet that we show has created a collection, and then go to the wallet's profile. You have to go to the wallet's profile because this one is still on the old wallet you get. So now you have gone to the wallet profile. You get you can see the collections that this wallet has created. So you get the point now. So and the items that this wallet owns. So the profile is pretty much straight up. Other things are things you discover for yourself. I mean, I don't need to. I can't say everything obviously because there will still be like small details you have to discover for yourself. Please feel free to ask any questions. Don't forget. Yeah, I've not spoken about submitting collection. Let me run through that. submitting the collection. So if you don't want to mint or your collection has already been minted somewhere else, like it's already living on chain, but you want Pantat to index it, you have to be the owner as usual. Everything is always owner, like security reasons, you have to be the owner. You connect your wallet, you put your contract address. So your contract address, it verifies that the connected wallet is the owner. It's not the owner, you won't be able to proceed to next. You put the contract address. All this here are automatically filled. You get. Let me see if I can grab. Let me see if I can grab any. Let me see if I can grab any collection. Let's see if I can grab any collection. Collection. Let's see if we can grab. Okay. Anyone actually. Anyone. Okay. Let's grab the collection. Then come here and then paste it. So once you not on focus again, it fetches that collection data. You see is auto prefer ownership verify. So that is the owner, right? And that is the owner. If not, it's not able to. See if I change this. If I change this, if I change the wallet and then do this, you see connected wallet does not match the owner. So you get the whole point. Then you can go to next and then so connection you can go to next. It shows you the standard. You go to next, put the cover photo, logo, the base UI. You need the base UI for that. So you need to get that too. Once you get the base UI, you click on next and then you pay the fee. There's a fee attached, and then within 24 hours your collection will be indexed. So that is about submitting collection. Then let me run you through, right? um, Creating collections. So creating collections, we have what we support now. We have the ERC 721 drop, so you can deploy a collection like you regular drop 1000 over 1000, 2000, 150, 100, 5, depending. You can deploy. You can just mint a single NFT. I mean, this is super easy. You just want to mint just one. Maybe we can do a one test here for this one. A collection. We not want to do a collection this thing here, but that one is straightforward. You want to mint. Let's look for a. Let's still use these minions, right? So you pin. All these are going to be fees attached, right? Let's pin this. So you pin this, it uploads. So you get your asset ID preview. I mean, no, this this. Okay, you need that to view IPFS is not like a valid link. IPFS is not HTTPS dash dash dash. So there's some normalization that needs to be done on it, but it just shows you your ID and everything. You proceed to metadata, because what it tried to do was that it used the localhost slash IPFS, so that will give you a 404. Then you can put the name. This is like a test NFT. You put a symbol that you want, TNFT. Put whatever description. Put your royalty. It cannot be more than 10%. Then you put your custom. So it's optional to even put metadata if you want. Optional to put metadata, like what is the name. The name is minions. You get what is the name. The name is minions. Let's put this to 4. Test minionsa. What is the name? You can add another field. What is the chain? You can put ETN v2. Then attributes too. Attributes are optional too, so you can add attributes. What traits do you have? Is optional. yellow. It could be one, it could be two. You can add. I don't think I add. So let's pin this. So we can pin this. You see, it gives you that. Then you can proceed to deploy. It shows you the fee. There's a fee attached. 8 points, so $20 worth of ETN, which is 8,200. I don't think I have up to that on this wallet, so it won't even go. Then the recipient wallet, you can leave blank to use the connected wallet, or you can just add it if you want. Then deploy. Then it deploys to the blockchain successfully. So everything is like smooth, easy, clean, just as easy as that, right? So that's for the single, and we have for the single ERC 11552 is going to be a drop edition. So this is what I mean. Let's do for the single. Let's open for the single. Uh, let's select something. Upload and pin to IPFS. You can choose a different file. So it shows you that you can proceed. What's the name of your edition? The symbol, then max supply. I know this is a multi edition. So how many is it going to have for this one token? How many is it going to have? Is it 100? Is it 10? Is it 5? You get the mint price, because I told you it's a drop. You drop ERC 1155. So that's why if you are the owner of the ERC 1155 in the ERC 1155 page, if you have been following this playlist video, you see the withdraw button where you can withdraw proceeds from this mint. So you can put your mint price, max per wallet. How many of these can a wallet own? How many of these can a wallet own? You get. And you put the royalty, which is maximum of 10%. Custom metadata just like that of this. Custom attributes to everything. Then you fix fees to continue. Like you have to put all this to continue. So it's pretty much straightforward. It's pretty much straightforward. Pretty much straightforward. I think that is all. We'll just run this video up, run this playlist up, and then we await the launch, which will be following suit. So just packaging everything, cleaning up, shaking the tree, removing unnecessary codes, and then we go live. I mean, we are here. It's long awaited. It's long awaited. Yeah. I mean, you can search. Let's search Nippy Sky. You can search for users Nippy Sky. Nippy Sky, test Nippy. These are users. You can search collections, comrades, collections, NFTs. So you get. So this is nice. This is nice. I can't wait for you guys to start using this, and then getting back with your replies. So yeah, that will be all. Thank you very much.